So what we're looking at here is the safety valve, the S284. Work up to between 50 to 280 bar, also 7 to 41 litres. Now 3/8 BSP thread there. Now when you set a safety valve up, what simply happens is this is the blow off point. You've also got the adjustment on this point here to screw it in and out. So what simply happens is you've got your unloader valve as normal, and you're setting that unloader valve first of all. That's the most important part, with the correct size jet, the machine working at full RPMs, so the machine is producing its maximum pressure. The unloader then is set, so when you're setting that unloader, you'd screw the unloader down, keep screwing that unloader down, keeping the lance pulled. When you've turned the lance and all of a sudden the lance has no longer picked up on pressure, so it's at its maximum, turn it back half a turn and leave that unloader alone at that point. What you simply do then is you come to your safety valve and you're going to set that safety valve so when you come, that is going to literally release the slightest drip when you let go of the trigger. It's not going to be blowing off all the time, so what you simply do is you set your unloader, machine working at maximum RPM, and that then is at its lowest unloading point, so there's no strain on the engine itself or whatever you're using it on. Then you put the safety valve in place and you're going to screw this down. When you start screwing it down, you'll find it starts blowing off. If you're screwing it further in, it'll blow off less and less and less. You get to a stage where when you let go of the trigger, it will blow off ever so slight drip. That's all you want from there if you can get it to that point, or just slightly above there so there's no water, but that's where you're wanting to set your safety valve at that point. So it's at its lowest point also. So any problems or anything else like that, the unloader goes and jams up. This is there in place to blow off straight after. Thank you very much, Q Services, Qwashers, and that is the Interpump S284. Thank you very much, Q Services.